You've heard it. Sneeze with eyes open and they'll pop right out. But your body won't let you. Eyelids slam shut faster than a bullet. That reflex is a hardwired safety fuse, protecting delicate orbs. Scientists confirm, pressure surge stays far below eye-popping levels. So myth busted, your peepers stay put, sealed by reflex. Next time you feel that tingle, relax, your eyelids have you covered.